Hello and welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're looking at a 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport in the color gray. Let's take a look. So starting up front here underneath the hood, we have a 3.5 liter V6 engine, automatic transmission, gets up to 278 horsepower and 265 pound-foot of torque. Up front, of course, we have our headlamps, daytime running lights, and fog lights. We also have this lovely hood scoop up front here. As we go along to the sides, we have our alloy wheels and factory running boards. Side mirrors do come with integrated turn signals, and your rear windows all come with factory tinting. As you come up to the back, we have the TRD Sport trim badging on here, the V6. If you look underneath, you will find your spare tire right through there. And next to the handle is your backup camera. To open up your rear space, reach in and release the handle, and it can soft open itself from there. We also have the bed light currently turned on back here. This can be turned off or set to work automatically with opening and closing of doors. Take a quick look along the inside here. On the right hand side, we have additional storage and a power outlet. To close up the space, simply reach down and bring up your tailgate. Next, let's take a look at the inside. So looking inside, you'll see your internal upholstery is this two-toned gray cloth with this nice detailed texturing in the middle and the white stitching. On the back of the front passenger seat, we have pouch storage available and then the cup holders in the middle. Currently, we have the Toyota branded rubber mats. Your rear windshield here, you'll notice this little panel here is slightly raised from the rest. That's because it is power movable from side to side. We'll take a closer look at that up front. Little extra storage inside your door here. As you move forward, take a look at your handle. You'll notice these two double lines right here, indicating a keyless entry unit, which means you can tap your hand here to lock and unlock. Inside your driver's door panel, we have the power windows for front, back, and child safety lock, power lock system, and side mirror controls. Front driver's seat is electronically adjustable, back, front, up, down, and your lumbar support. Your hood release latch is on the bottom left-hand side of your dash. Above that, we have the controls for that rear bed light, your head beams, that rear power outlet, as well as your traction control. Hop up here and take a look at your steering wheel. On the left-hand side here, we have the controls for your radio and volume, as well as your hands-free communication. On the right-hand side, you have your dash display controls. And then your cruise control, sonar, and lane departure. In the middle here is your Infotainment Center. This is where you access much of the information about your daily driving experience, including your built-in navigation and all of your audio listening. This unit, as you can see, has AM, FM, and satellite radio, full Bluetooth connectivity, and optional USB adapter. Underneath that is your climate control center. We have the dual climate control so that you and your front passenger can have your own unique temperature settings, or sync them up to work in unison. We also have two front heated seat controls with 3 variant levels each, your defrost for your side mirrors and front windshield, and then your dial for your 2-wheel for high and for low, and push start ignition. Under that, you have your electric power. This is the control for that rear middle panel for your rear windshield. Take a look back there, and you'll see that it simply slides side to side, functions like any other window. Next to that control is your aux options and then your 12-volt adapter. Nice amount of storage in the back here with your cup holders as well, and your middle console. And then looking upward on your rear view mirror, you'll see these little house-shaped controls. Those are your garage door openers. We then have your sunglasses compartment and your controls for your overhead lighting. Thanks again, folks, for joining us on this full video tour for this 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport in the color gray. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Auto Mall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703. And remember, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.